our goats is here up. This is he goat, and this is that is two babies. There two he goats. This one last March 6 she delivered. Mashallah, very nice, cute. Mashallah, this very nice color combination. Eh? Kya? Mashallah, eh? Last March 6, she want to drink. They want to drink milk. Mashallah. And also there is also there over there. Oh, he got also this one, and also that one. He got, and where is more hair also? No more. Oh, there there is also there. Oh, yeah. Four is there, and one hair. Only one hair, na? Two hair, two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, including these two, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12. Oh, 12. Oh, 13. Oh, 13. We have 13 goats. And our tiger is surrounding with them. They are security guard. This one, mashallah, very nice color combination. Allah, shatke. It's jumping. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, chu, 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 chu. Ay, ay, dara, dara. Allah, 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 Allah. Mashallah, very nice color. 6 last 6, so now is 21. So how many weeks, how many days now? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 15 days. But now, mashallah, they become big immediately. Mm. Mm. You see yung ano sungay niya, oh. Dangerous sink. Ay! Edara! 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 Ayan, lalaki, higot. You see also this one very cute cat. Uh, ah. eh, eh, ah, yeah, yeah. Always also he's come with my husband. Eh? Mm. Mashallah na, they're full now. They're enjoying eating grasses. Kya? Kya? Eh? Where are they for hair, no? Yun. Oh. Tiger kya? Yan. Very cute, darn. Just now I see this one, no? Yeah, no, very nice color, no? Eh? Very different color, mashallah. Huh? Ah. Eh? Huh? Mm. Today is first day of Eid, and today is March 21. And today is Saturday. And time check now. Oh, one more villa is there. Time check now is 12 noon.